Hello everyone, welcome in today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about how to generate automatic title, description and bullet points for your Amazon product listing. So first of all, log in your Amazon seller account, then click on these three lines, then click on catalog, then click on add products. Now type the keywords for your product. For example, t-shirt for men, then click on submit. Then click on create a new listing. Now here in generate listing content column, write the title of your product. Try to write title of your product very briefly. For example, red t-shirt for men in red color slim fit. Now upload the image of your product. However, uploading image is optional, but still you should upload image. Now click on generate content. Now here you can see the title of the product is automatically generated, and the description and bullet point of this product are also generated automatically. Let me show you. So here you can see the product description and bullet points are also automatically generated. You can also edit product description, bullet points and title of your product according to your wish. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you.